Alright, so if your games feel choppy on BlueStacks, yeah, increasing your FPS can make everything way smoother. Let's fix that step by step. First, open settings and turn on high frame rate mode. Now set the FPS slider to 60 or higher, depending on your system. Go to performance settings and increase CPU cores and RAM for better performance. Make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. This can boost performance a lot. Switch graphics mode to performance or try a different renderer like DirectX or OpenGL. Inside the game, reduce graphics quality to increase FPS. Close unnecessary apps running in the background to free up system resources. Keep your graphics drivers and BlueStacks updated for the best performance. And yeah, that's how you increase FPS in BlueStacks. With these tweaks, your game should run much smoother.